This 5-minute solution will show you how to permanently delete your Apple ID account. So follow this simple step to permanently delete your Apple ID. Open your browser and open privacy.apple.com. Log into your Apple ID. Scroll down. Tap on request to delete your account. And read this article very carefully. And select a reason why you are deleting your account. Tap on continue. And then your Apple ID will be permanently deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.